By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales, and I invite the Vice-chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. It really is a special occasion. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. As graduates of the university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. So why are we all wearing these medieval robes? And it's not just because they look great on Instagram. We're doing it because it shows an unbroken link to our history as scholars at a university. You're wearing a cap, gown and hood because you're now part of a tradition of clever and hard-working people learning at a university that goes back centuries. Our story at the University of South Wales goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now. They would see that their small colleges have grown into a major international university, adding value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally to the lives of bright people like you. You're part of a rigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts, business, humanities or sciences. Across the United Kingdom and in countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW managing businesses and developing their professions. They are authors, artists, engineers, police officers, doctors and nurses. Some of them have reached the gold standard, the blue ribbon, and literally the Oscar statue at the summit of their professions. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know that universities are not simply a generator of wealth, or a cog in a governmental growth machine, or a link in the economic chain. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You will have challenges, but you will also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. You have at your fingertips the ability to access every part of human knowledge ever created and to communicate instantly with anywhere on the globe. And more than that, every one of you has intellect. Every one of you has talent. Every one of you has the commitment and capacity for hard work. And now you will have the qualification to prove it. So whilst you're thinking about everything else going on today, worrying about tripping up as you come across the stage, taking those selfies in these rather unusual robes, I want to open this ceremony by telling you 3 things we'd like you to remember. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a real credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. Well done, and thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynerir cynulliad y Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar yr 15 o Orffennaf 2018. Heddiw, anrydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy echusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei fod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Trwy anrydeddu eu cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Buddsodon yn gobeithio'n a'n disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda gynrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by the members of the University of South Wales and here present that a congregation of the university is held in this campus on the 18th day of December 2018. Today we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invested them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction. Thank you.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. David Adams, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Elite Coach Learning and Development, exploring formal and informal pathways towards coach effectiveness. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Rich Mullin, Professor Brendan Cropley, and Dr. Alison Lipp, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Arts in Counselling Cognitive Behaviour, Julie Davis. Elizabeth Thomas Evans. The Master of Arts in Counselling Integrative, Juliet Peel. Helen Child-Villiers. Natasha Jeffries. Ocean Leader. The Master of Arts in Music Therapy, Emma Jones. The Master of Science in Advanced Performance Football Coaching, Ollie Eden. Ben Gast. Adrian Harvey. Alex Pope. Ben State. The Master of Science in Behaviour Analysis and Therapy, Caris Olivia Abbott. Thomas Aldridge. Helen Azaka. Kirsten Haley Beasley. The MSc Behaviour Analysis and Therapy Outstanding Dissertation Award, Abigail Cox. Charmaine Crook. Crystal Davis. Dion Deer. Abby Fox. Megan Grist. Shauna Gumley. Alice Herbert. Charlotte Holmes. Louise Sarah Maggs. Kirsty Maindonald. Sari Matulassi. Alison Morgan. Rachel Nash. Holly Osman. Darian Rees-Lewis. Beth Morgan Ridings. Stiliani Samara. Sarah Jane Seeley. Christopher Seal. Chan Tan. Matthew Wellington. Master of Science in Clinical and Abnormal Psychology, Bethany Aston. Tamara Beer. Trisha Byron. The MSc Clinical and Abnormal Psychology Outstanding Dissertation Award, Helen Boyden Wright. The MSc Clinical and Abnormal Psychology Outstanding Dissertation Award, Rebecca Browning. Nessa Dickel Cayman. The MSc Clinical and Abnormal Psychology Outstanding Dissertation Award, Charlotte Deering. Gemma Dooley. Lauren Evans. Stephanie Evans. Lucy Fishley. Natasha Goddard. The MSc Clinical and Abnormal Psychology Outstanding Dissertation Award, Harriet Hughes. Abby Lloyd. George Mulupeki Manx Iwa. Eleanor Morgan. Chelsea Richards. Gemma Roberts. Gisette Suarez Gassel. Sarah Sundar. The MSc Clinical and Abnormal Psychology Outstanding Dissertation Award, Jamie Torrance. Amber Williams. The Master of Science in Cognitive Behavioural Psychotherapy, Rachel Davis. Dominic Rapley. The Master of Science in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Learner Limited, Haura Al-Salaka. The Master of Science in Developmental Disorders, Patrick Fernandez. Emma Laverty. Susan Joyce Lilly. Prasanta Kumar Pradhan. The Master of Science in Diabetes Learner Limited, Karen Batha. Lisa Broadley. Emily Morgan. Shashi Panika. Sophia Panel. The Master of Science in Endocrinology Learner Limited, Mary Joyce. The Master of Science in Health Psychology, Anthony Ian Lewis. Outstanding Dissertation Award, Lee Michael O'Brien. The Master of Science in International Policing, David Oram. The Master of Science in Obesity and Weight Management Learner Limited, Alwyn Briffa. Teresa Cheerkop. Master of Science in Play Therapy, Gemma Bailey. Anita Bogdanska. Anna Bowyer. Robin Fuller. Naomi Johnson. Charlotte Jones. Liang Jiang Jones. Carly Lewis. Mel Marston. Sarah McCall. The MSc Play Therapy Outstanding Student, Kimberly Miles. Maria Elena Papadopoulou. Darren Thomas. Michelle Wilson. Samantha Woodard. The Master of Science in Sport, Health and Exercise Science, Gareth Allen. Cameron Bamford. The Prize for Outstanding Performance, Luke Chalcraft. Sean Cutler. Lucy Jane Davis. Thomas Holder. Callum Jenkins. Thomas Oram Rubens. Frankara Manoi Rakturaruna Mujan Selaga. Hayley Silver. Daniel Trout.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, mae the Tom Dalby Jazz Quartet. a byddant yn chwarae down by the riverside, seasonable jingle bells, Under the Sea, Don't Get Around Much More, and a personal jazz favourite, I Want to Be Like You. Raddedigion a gwesteion. Graduands and guests, please give a warm welcome to the Tom Dalby Jazz Quartet.
Before I start the next part of the ceremony, we did have an omission from the first part. Christopher Seal, if he's out there, the Master of Science in Behavioural Analysis and Therapy, outstanding performance. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Learner Limited, Shahid Julal Syed. Lizzie Manyana Mapofu. Dwayne Sanders. Aaron Walters. The Master of Science in Sports Coaching and Performance, Joshua Allen. Jeffrey Blake. Fern Burridge. Daniel Dixon. Kim Gareth Brooks Edwards. Thomas Gear. Matthew James Goodman. Harry Hosiana. Geraint Leach. John Oliver. Oliver Lewis. Nina Lindholm. Owen Marchbank. Bjorn Alexandru Pavel. Heather Rees. The Postgraduate Diploma in Applied Healthcare Economics, Learner Limited, Ibrahim Masad. Ian William McGowan. The Postgraduate Diploma in Behaviour Analysis Supervised Practice, Spencer James Delph. Emma Gillespie. Jodie White. Postgraduate Diploma in Consultative Supervision, Johanna Walton. The Postgraduate Diploma in Counselling Children and Young People, Leah Griffiths. Maria Cantas. Fionn Owens. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Learner Limited, Pratisha Dash. Helen Polly. The Postgraduate Diploma in Diabetes, Learner Limited, Samina Ali. Faustina Aziba. The Postgraduate Diploma in Endocrinology, Learner Limited, Manisha Gupta. Anisha Ragbir. The Postgraduate Diploma in Integrative Counselling and Psychotherapy, Hannah Blair. Karen Elizabeth Howell. Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Education for Healthcare Professionals, Learner Limited, Gideon Malawa. The Postgraduate Diploma in Obesity and Weight Management, Learner Limited, Saguna Woodchit. Alicia Yusuf. The Postgraduate Diploma in Preventative Cardiovascular Medicine, Learner Limited, Moniza Hasnat. The Postgraduate Diploma in Respiratory Medicine, Learner Limited, Sinead Richards. The Postgraduate Diploma in Rheumatology, Learner Limited, Sigma Hossain. The Postgraduate Diploma in Sexual and Reproductive Medicine Learner Limited, Lamia Al-Kadoushi. Judith Marie Mifsud. Catherine Please. The Postgraduate Certificate in Counselling Skills, Joanne Thomas Deneen. The Integrated Master of Chiropractic, Bilal Ekadri. Agisang Magobi. The Postgraduate Diploma in Systemic Practice and Psychotherapy, Linwen Davis. Jimmy Sebastian. Holly Thomas. Maria Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Sports Leadership and Development, Liam Williams. Alexander Yilmaz. The Bachelor of Science in Football Coaching Development and Administration, Michael Caton. Philip Corrigan. The Bachelor of Science in Police Sciences, Alicia Marie Morgan. Joshua Thomas Taylor. Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Emma Cowell. Ross Grimes. Katie Sutherland. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Mia Georgia Gray. Amanda Lynch. The Bachelor of Science in Rugby Coaching and Performance, Frederick Aston. Luke John Guffick. Joshua Hayward. Christoph Young. The Bachelor of Science in Sport and Exercise Science, Adam David Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Sports Psychology, Abigail Pierce. The Bachelor of Science in Sports Coaching, Samir Suleiman. The Bachelor of Science in Sports Coaching and Performance, Abdirahim Ahmed. Bachelor of Science in Sports Studies, Tyler David Smith. Bachelor of Science in Strength and Conditioning, Rory Donkin. Ryan Keating. Thomas Summers. The Foundation Degree in Science in Football Coaching and Development, Claire Bassett. Terrell Webb. The Foundation Degree in Science in Rugby Coaching and Development, Gavin Clement. The Postgraduate Diploma in Pain Management, Paul Rock. The Postgraduate Diploma in Diabetes, Luminita Bulaku. The Integrated Master of Chiropractic, Liam McCree. The Postgraduate Diploma in Rheumatology, Mohammed Imran Assad. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Jokinda Kumar. The Postgraduate Diploma, Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Erum Shazadi. Congratulations, everybody. You've all done so well. Well done, and a very Merry Christmas. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the award of the Life Sciences and Education.
Congregation, colleagues, friends and guests, and far more importantly, graduates. Today has been an occasion for solemn formal academic ceremony with a long tradition. But at the same time, it has also been a moment of great emotion and great pride. I, on 2 occasions, sat in the audience in halls very similar to this one, to see my daughters graduate. I therefore well understand both the pride and the emotion. And those who sit on this platform behind me, they too share those feelings as they looked on. Graduates, we are delighted to be celebrating your success. You did it. But truth to tell, you did not make the journey alone. Sitting behind you and alongside you are the people, parents, carers, friends, who supported you throughout. They encouraged you when things got tough. They urged you on as you tried unfamiliar things. To quote a phrase, they were there for you. So this is your opportunity and ours to give their role the recognition it deserves by a well-earned round of applause. For us here today on the stage, this is a culmination of the university year. There are 3,000 members of staff at this great university, and it has been a mission to teach, mentor, feed, support, counsel, and encourage our new graduates on the way to success. And some of them, I am told, also have sent the odd reminder. I believed it was needed once or twice. A professor delivering a lecture or leading a seminar relies on all members of the university-wide team to play their part, whether they're technicians, administrators, support staff, counsellors, sports ground staff, or indeed student union colleagues. Seeing our students succeed, that is their raison d'être. It is what they do. And they too deserve to be acknowledged today for the part they played in the success of our graduates. So well done, all colleagues. But graduates today, of all day, is a celebration of you, of your achievement, of your success. It's not just a public recognition of your hard work, and it's not just a chance to put on some quaint robes and, I noticed, pair them with some truly fabulous shoes. Today is the moment when we, the USW academic community, say, you are one of us. You and we share the same essential values, and we look on proudly as you take those values into the world. Of course, the university has equipped you with the skills and elements of knowledge essentials to your academic and professional disciplines. And we know from personal experience that the education that USW provides is highly valued by employers. Indeed, the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. But the University of South Wales has done far more than that. It has fostered in you, our graduates, the ability to think for yourself, to challenge received wisdom. You have learned to distinguish between actual facts and the slush of half-baked, unverified material that swirls around in our overcrowded instant information age. You've developed the healthy ability to say, really? Or how so? In the right circumstances. We are proud to be an academic community of all faiths, all nations and all backgrounds, and our mission is universal. It is not narrowly confined to delivering subject content or word-based skills, although we do that and we do it well. Our mission ultimately is to nurture people who as citizens can and will ask constructive, critical questions in public life. That is the most significant impact any university can have. You, the people we nurtured, are the people who can and will help others grasp what a critical argument looks like, to understand what genuine thinking is, and how to explore difficult issues in a spirit of respect and positive expectations. These timeless values are at the heart of university's ethos, at the heart of ours. We hope that they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. Democracy dies in darkness. That is what it says at the top of every copy of the Washington Post newspaper. And the Romans said that a mind is a light to be lit, not a vessel to be filled. So, as you leave us, as we wish you well, we also say to you, keep your intellect bright and keep your thinking sharp. Shine the light of skeptical inquiry when somebody says, we've always done it that way. Focus the forensic laser of your questioning when told that something is impossible, or indeed that it is a complete certainty. You are, in every sense, ambassadors for your university, for its values, for what it is striving to achieve. As alumni, you are both members of our community and active vectors in the world for its commitment to transforming lives through higher education. We hope that your time at the University of South Wales has offered the intellectual challenge which broadens horizons. We hope that it has opened up pathways to exciting and fulfilling careers. We hope that it has imbued you both with a spirit of inquiry and a yen for lifelong learning. Our very best wishes for your future endeavours go with you. We rejoice in your success. Well done, each and every one of you, and good luck.
I gloi'r seremoni, awnewch i godi ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please be upstanding for the Welsh National Anthem.
Addysg. you.